Hello everyone. I wanted to talk today a little bit about the week 5 assignment on the master budget. So in this assignment, the company V&T Faces Incorporated manufactures two types of makeup foundation. Type S is for sensitive skin and type N is for non-sensitive skin. The products have the following materials and labor requirements. So for type N, you have liquid medium, and this is direct materials required per 100 bottles. So liquid medium, you have 30 pounds, and then for type S, you have 70 pounds. And then for pigment A, it's 20 pounds under type N and 30 pounds for type S. Now, the assignment actually left off the price per pound for the liquid medium and the pigment A, and we'll be getting that fixed. But for now, I just want to make sure everyone is aware. I posted an announcement in the course. Let's just take a quick look at that so that I can recall what those numbers were. Let's see, where are they? Where is it? Okay. Here we go, missing information. Right here. I have all my announcements there so you can see everything. Okay, so in the week 5 assignment, it should tell you what the raw material costs are per pound. This was left off the assignment accidentally. So for raw material, the liquid is 20 cents per pound. And for the pigment, it should be 10 cents per pound. And also in the assignment, there is a typo where it says 500,000 and it's missing a 0, but I think everybody is aware of that now, and we will be getting that corrected. So right there, it should be 500,000 bottles, okay? All right, so 20 cents for the liquid medium, 10 cents for pigment A, and then direct labor required per 100 bottles is $12 per hour. It's charged at 0.25 hours for type N and 0.50 for type S. Then you have the following production overhead costs that are anticipated for the next year. The predetermined overhead rate is based on the production volume of 495,000 bottles. Production overhead is applied on the basis of direct labor hours, which we know is $12 per hour per 100 bottles. Okay, and then we have, oops, I accidentally moved that up too far. There we go. I was trying to just move the camera. Then we have indirect material, 10,500, indirect labor, 49,000, utilities, 25,000, property taxes, 16,000, insurance, 18,000, and depreciation of 30,000 for a total of $148,500. And then selling and administration, we have salaries and fringe benefits of 80,000, advertising 15,000, management salaries and fringe benefits of 85,000, clerical wages and fringe benefits 25,000, and then miscellaneous administrative expenses of 5,000 for a total of $210,000. The sales forecast is that the sales volume for type N and type S both will be 500,000 bottles. The sales price is $90 per 100 bottles for type N and $130 per 100 bottles for type S. We have some inventory information available right here, and the unit production costs for each product are expected to be the same this year and the following year. So in finished goods for type N, we have 10,000 bottles expected inventory on January 1st. And then we have desired ending inventory of 5,000 bottles on December 31st. And then type S, we expect on January 1st, we'll have 20,000 bottles. And we have a desired ending inventory for December 31st of 15,000 bottles. In raw material, we expect to have on January 1st for pigment A 15,000 pounds and 5,000 pounds for desired ending inventory in December 31st. The liquid medium 5,000 pounds expected inventory on the beginning of the year. And at the end of the year, we have a desired ending inventory of 10,000 pounds. So you're to prepare a master budget for V&T Faces Incorporated for the next year and assume an income tax rate of 40%. You'll need to do a sales budget, a production budget, a direct material budget, direct labor budget, production overhead, and selling and administrative expense budget, and then a budgeted income statement. Okay, and so let's just take a quick look at the template that you've been provided with to help you finish this assignment. And so you're just going to start by filling in your sales in units. This information is actually given in the problem. And then you're going to put in the sales price per unit, and you will multiply these to get your sales revenue. The price per unit is given in the problem. Next, you're going to do your production budget, and you're going to start by entering your sales. This was given in the problem. And then you will add your desired ending inventory. This was also given in the problem. Add these together to get the total units needed, and then you'll subtract from that your beginning inventory, and this will tell you how much you need to produce. Okay, so it's pretty step by step as you go through the template. I think we have found all of the mistakes or typos that might have been in the assignment, so you should have all the information that you need in order to fill out the rest of the template. Just go back through and look, like for example, raw material required per 100 pounds. That is given in the assignment, and so you just have to go back through and read it and determine where that information is given and input it into the template. Here, your production requirements, it's gonna be entered from right here. So everything sort of carries over into the next section. Okay. All right. So hopefully you'll be able to get through this without much problem. But if you have questions, additional questions, feel free to email me. Okay. A lot of this, for example, right here on your production overhead budget, this was all given in the problem. You don't have to do a lot of calculation. It's just entering in the information. The same thing with the selling and administration budget. You'll just be entering in the information, okay? So most of the information is just strictly given to you in the problem, and then some things you do have to calculate, and they might carry over into another section of the template, but you should have all of the information that you have or need to calculate everything. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck on the assignment.